Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. By now I'm sure you all know me. My name is Nikhil and I'm a beauty YouTuber. As you can see the glam on me. What do you think of this look, guys? Let me know what was your first impressions looking at this look. Also in this video, I'm showing you how I do this look. This was actually an Instagram poll. You all wanted me to do an upgraded version of smoky eye done, right? Yeah, so in this video I'm showing you how I do this detailed look with this sexy lip and how my skin looks a little bit of glow on the skin also. Just let me not tell you more about it and let's not waste our time and let's get into the video. Bye. Yeah guys, so I'm just gonna start with the Nars concealer. This is the Radiant Creamy Concealer. If you guys don't know, this is the top selling concealer of Nars. Just going to take a little brush, actually not a little, a bigger brush. I'm just going to soften up the eye because recently my eyes have captured a little bit of pigment. So yeah, pretty much simple. Then from the Afterglow palette, I'm just going to take a little soft colors. This pink and the nude one are very soft. I'm just going to set the whole eyes so that you know when I have my eyeshadows on, they will not actually crease. That's it. Yeah, so once that's done, it's very simple. Then you take a liner. Though this is the Inglot liner, this your call, whichever liner you like. Mine is actually a little dried also. I do have a matte one also, but since I want this look to be a little bit darker on the outer corners, I'm okay with the dry one from Inglot also. Guys, the base can be anything. Trust me, we are not doing that smoky eye with just smudging the eye pencil and all that. We all have done that and we all know how to do this. If you haven't, if you still are not clear about that concept, you can actually check out my look which is done with the black or the blue smoky eye before. So if you want to do a regular smoky eye, what you would generally do is just take an eye pencil and smudge that. So right now I'm just gonna take my time to blend this because this is actually a little strong, and all that I have to do is just keep blending it. It's okay, I don't want the look to be really blended. It's okay, it can be stuck. So once that's done, you can actually take a black eyeshadow and just set that black. I'm just gonna do that both the sides. It's up to you how much stronger you want to do. I'm just pressing it both the sides. Guys, take your time to literally do that because that can actually take long. And then I'm going to take my palette again and I'm going to take this rust color. I really love this color because it's nice and intense, and I'm just going above my crease. Guys, this look actually needs a lot of definition, so please make sure that you do this very well. I'm just going to show you again, taking that 217 from MAC and just very precisely just going above that. Don't worry about eyeshadow touching the black. It's okay, black anyways can be redone. Black is something that you can actually keep redoing it again and again, but take a lot of time to do this. Guys, let it look a little stark. It's okay, not a problem. We'll fix that up. You can actually go deep inside. I actually don't have a lot of space to play around, so I generally don't do that. But for me, I'm just gonna clean this up later, so that's not a problem for me. Let's do this side as well. Yeah, it has to look something like this and keep blending it. I'm just doing that again and again. Just keep repeating that, guys. Let that till the time you don't get this fold on your eyes. Keep doing that. You can actually use black also, but I'm not going to do black because anyways I'm just going to mix these palettes, guys. I'm sorry I forgot to tell you these. I'm using these two and I'm playing around with these as well. I'm just taking that a little more intense, just back and forth, because anyways you will cover this up with something else. I'm not going to share that right now, but I'm just sharing that we will be doing something else over here. And later, once you're happy with this, don't worry, you can take the black again and redo it again. Till the time you're not happy with the black, keep adding it. It's completely okay. Then I'll tell you how to cheat with this look. Yeah, once that is done, now take your cleanest brush, the most cleanest and most precise. So I have these two with me. You can take anything, guys, whatever you like. And I'm just going to switch my palette. So you can use ideally these two colors very well to blend it. I don't know if you guys can see the color. If you guys can see the color scheme, these are the newest colors that I have ever seen. So I'm just gonna take these two and just go over here. It's okay, let it touch your eyebrow bone. No, doesn't matter, because we can actually highlight that again. You can actually play around with that, and don't hesitate to go outside. It's fine. It's gonna look nice, don't worry, because once you connect the lower lash line, it's gonna look absolutely fantastic. The whole idea is to make this look very nice and gradient and very edgy at the same time. Cool, see this. Once that's done, it's gonna look something like this, guys. You'll have to just keep on blending. All that I can say. All I'm gonna do is take that brown shadows again, and I'm going to connect my lower lash line with the upper lash line. Same drill how we generally do that. The colors are up to you. You can actually use a lot of colors. Something like this. All I can tell you is, instead of me going black, you can actually use a brown eyeshadow. You can actually, like a brown eye pencil, instead of me using that black eyeliner in the starting, you can actually go with blue, brown. Absolutely your wish. Absolutely. This is just going to be the same thing. Just make sure you do the same layering. If you're doing a brown, you can just do a brown on top. If you're doing a black, just do a black on top. That's it. It's very easy. Just let that be very nice and smoked out, guys. Just let that be on. That's it. The only thing that you have to be very careful in this look is just blending and the precision. What I do is I generally do both the sides and just play like this, so it gives me that nice weave. You can see it does not make it look like how you generally do it with sellotape is what people do, but then no, you can actually use your hands and just do this easy. This eye pencil, I'm just going to do a liner with this. I'm somehow I don't feel it's very incomplete if I don't do my liner with my any sort of my makeup looks. Just a very rough liner. Just a very rough liner. It does not have to be precise, guys. Because the look that I'm trying actually does not require a eyeliner and smudging of an eyeliner. Yeah, you must be thinking it's a very basic smoky eye. Again, you just did the corners first and all that. But wait, my dear, wait. Then, my darlings, here is the pigment that I'm gonna use on my eyes. Yeah, so this was the fun bit that I was about to show you today. So I'm just gonna take that a little bit on my flat brush. So the pigment is called blue brown. Okay, so guys, the pigment ka color name is blue brown. I'm just going to dip that color. Guys, I can't show that because it's a very you can say a minute particles of powder, and I'm just going to wet that. The wetter the better. The wetter the better is what I can say. And what you have to do is, oh my god, can you guys see the fun? Guys, this can be layered up a lot. When I say a lot. But I'm not doing that. I'm just going to start gradually. And this does has fallout, which you can actually see right now, which I'm not happy about. So I'm just going to do that here. Yeah guys, so it's gonna look something like this. I'm just gonna do the other eye right in front of you. Guys, all that I can tell you, because it's a powder product, please make sure that you are using the mildest pressure on this, and please make sure you use it wet and do not use it dry. People do use it dry. I'm sorry guys, don't do it. You'll ruin it. Now you guys can see that I don't even require any blending, nothing at all. All I can do is put some mascara and get out on a date. Sorry, have some fun. Yeah, I'm just gonna layer in front of you guys. So here is the pigment, and I just transferred it into some small jar, and using that Max Fix Plus, spray that again. And the more layers, the better it is what I can say. I don't wanna like, it should not look like I've done it off camera. Right in front of you guys. Yeah, the intensity is gonna play around because it is a dual chrome eyeshadow eye powder, so it's fine. It's on you how you do it. So whatever's here, I'm just gonna take that a little bit. You can actually use a little bit of glitter on top of this, but I'm not going to do that. Let's just go back to the mascara now, because I want to finish this look. And for the lower lash line, I'm actually thinking if I can do a black or should I do a brown, or I should actually do a white, because you know this whole look does not lift my eyes. Still, I feel there's something which is incomplete yet, so that I have to, you know, lift this look a little bit. Either I can add a little blue glitter, I can do that on the inner corners. But guys, this is just a way of showing you. So adding glitter is my option. It should not look like I'm just showing you how to apply glitter and glitter. It's not something that I'm here for. I'm actually here to show you versatile looks, guys. So here, this is a look by itself. You can actually finish off with some eye pencil and you're good to go. But for me, I just wanted to pop a little more, so I'm just going to add something else. Yeah, just to add a little fun touch to it, I am going with white pencil. Does this add a little bit of kick to the look? I know lashes will do that, but I wanted to also see without lashes, does that make a difference? My life is anyways very incomplete without lashes. My eyes are a little sensitive, guys, so white won't like literally stay a lot, but I'll just finish off my lashes and I'll see what can be done. Yeah guys, so eyes are pretty much done. As you can see, my lashes are done and I look on fleek. Look at this contour. Anyways, back to the track, and here is the lip that I'm gonna do today. I'm just gonna do my favorite lip liner called Spice from MAC, and I already have my lip balm on. Bang Bang from Nars. Let's go. Once that's done, I'm just gonna take my lipstick Firecracker from Nars. It's actually a nice orangey nude, and once you fill in the spice, it looks something like this. There is nothing additional. Here is it. I feel this color looks too orange for me. I'm just gonna tone this down this much only. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just doing the Laura Mercier powder on top of my lipstick. So instead of making it look super bright, it's legit toned down now. Now to highlight this lip, I'm just gonna use this long wearing gloss from MAC. It's going to just give me a shine. That's it, guys, nothing else. I usually don't do gloss on me, but sometimes I feel when you do such nice sexy eyes, you need that little pop. Also, if you guys saw that today I didn't do my highlighter, so I'm just going to show you a trick when I don't do my highlighter and I want my skin to look super glowy. I just use my Fix Plus a little bit on my skin, taking my fan brush, lightest brush that you can say. I'm taking the darkest color of highlighter, and I'll show you how I do it. The day you don't want to do a specific highlighter, you can do it like this. With this, we also completed our look, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this. It was really fun doing this look for you. I hope you all like it. This was an Instagram poll, guys. You all decided to see a upgraded version of Smokey Eye, and here I did it for you. The minute you tell me this is what you want to see on my channel, and I will try my level best to get that for you on my channel. Yeah, so also don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Also, if you're recreating this look, please don't forget to tag me on all my social media handles. It'll be great if you do. I'll get to know who does follow the tricks and techniques that I show, and this was my way of doing it. You can actually twist and turn the way you like it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me in this video and giving me your time. I shall see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.